Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Sai is that friend who will heal your wounds through his Udi. He will hear to your prayer and protect you through his divine aura. If Sai choose you as his devotee, know that you will reach your destination. Sai says, I am very proud of you, my child. The way you have infinite faith on me. I will keep on my promise. Love you, my dear child. Keep smiling like this ever. I am with you. In the last video, we saw Baba's all-knowing nature and the story of two lizards. Now, in this video, we will be going through the story of a rich gentleman who wanted Brahmagyan from Sai Baba. There was a rich gentleman who was very prosperous in his life. He had amassed a large quantity of wealth, houses and lands, and had many servants and dependents. When Baba's fame reached his ears, he said to one of his friends that he was not in want of anything, and so he would go to Shirdi and ask Baba to give him Brahmagyan. That would certainly make him more happy. His friend dissuaded him, saying, It is not easy to know Brahma, especially a man like you who is always engrossed in wealth, wife and children, who does not give away even a paise in charity. Not minding his friend's advice, the fellow came to Shirdi, saw Sai Baba, fell at his feet and said, Baba, hearing that you show Brahma to all who come to you, I too have come here all the way from my distant place to get Brahmagyan from you. Baba replied, Oh my dear friend, do not be anxious. I shall show you Brahma. There is no dearth of people asking for worldly things, but it is very rare when a person like you come and ask me for Brahmagyan. So saying, Baba started to show him Brahma. He made him sit and engaged him in some other talk and thus made him forget his question. Then Baba called a boy and told him to go to one Nandu Marwadi and get from him a loan of ₹5. The boy left and returned immediately, saying that Nandu was absent and his house was locked. Then Baba asked him to go to Bala Grocer and get from him the said loan. This time also the boy was unsuccessful. This experiment was repeated again and again. In reality, Baba did not wanted this sum at all. He must have known fully that Nandu and Bala were absent. It seemed to have adopted this procedure as a test for the seeker of Brahma. The gentleman had a roll of currency notes in his pocket, and if he was really earnest, he would not have sat quiet there and be a mere onlooker. It was otherwise this man did not advance any money, nor did he sit silent, but began to be impatient, saying, Oh Baba, please give me Brahmagyan soon. Baba replied, Oh my dear friend, did you not understand all the procedure that I went through? Sitting in this place. Well, sir, there is in your pocket the Brahma in the form of 50 times of 5, that is 250 rupees. Please take that out. The gentleman took out from his pocket the bundle of currency notes, and to his great surprise he found the exact amount what Baba said. Seeing this omniscience of Baba, he was moved and fell at Baba's feet. Then Baba said to him, Roll up your bundle of Brahma, currency notes. Unless you completely get rid of your greed, you will not get the real Brahma. How can he, whose mind is engrossed in wealth, progeny and prosperity, expect to know the Brahma without removing his attachment from them? My treasure is full, and I can give anyone what he wants, but I have to see whether he is qualified to receive my gift. If you listen to me carefully, you will be certainly benefited. While sitting in this masjid, I never speak any untruth. Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.